Have you ever sat down to work only to find yourself checking your phone, scrolling through social media, or daydreaming within minutes? In today's fast-paced world, distractions are everywhere. The ability to focus is one of the most powerful skills you can develop, but it's becoming rarer by the day. Imagine how much you could achieve if you trained your mind to concentrate deeply, block out distractions, and work with laser-sharp efficiency. In this video, we're going to break down exactly why focus is crucial, why most people struggle with it, and how you can train your brain to focus better than ever before. Why focus is important. Focus is the key to success. Every great innovator, athlete, and entrepreneur has mastered the art of deep concentration. Steve Jobs, Elon Musk, and Warren Buffett have all spoken about the importance of eliminating distractions and dedicating themselves to deep work. When you focus, you accomplish tasks faster, make fewer mistakes, and feel more satisfied with your work. Without focus, even the most talented individuals struggle to reach their potential. But here's the truth. Most people today are addicted to distractions. The ability to sit down, work deeply, and sustain attention is becoming rare. That means if you develop strong focus, you'll have a massive advantage over everyone else. The enemies of focus. Before we learn how to improve focus, let's identify what's stealing it from you. 1. Social media and smartphones. Apps are designed to keep you hooked. Each notification, like, and comment triggers dopamine in your brain, making it hard to resist checking your phone. Multitasking, switching between tasks reduces efficiency and increases mistakes. Your brain works best when focused on one thing at a time. Lack of sleep and poor diet. Your brain needs rest and proper nutrition to function at its best. How to train your focus. Now that we know the enemies of focus, here's how you can train your brain to concentrate like never before. 1. Use the Pomodoro technique to eliminate distractions. 3. Set clear goals. Point for practice deep work. 5. Train your mind with meditation. 6. Optimize your environment. The power of long-term focus. True focus isn't just about working hard for an hour, it's about developing long-term discipline. Every time you resist a distraction and train yourself to concentrate, your ability to focus strengthens. Conclusion and call to action. Focus is a skill, one that can be developed with practice. By reducing distractions, setting clear goals, and training your attention span, you can accomplish more than you ever imagined. Now, I challenge you, pick one focus strategy from this video and start using it today. Whether it's turning off notifications, setting daily goals, or practicing deep work, start small and build your focus over time. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs to hear this.